Let's have some fun with the graphing calculator. The first step is to make sure that everything's cleared out. So we'll set the calculator up by pressing the Y equals button, and if there's anything in here, we're going to press the clear, then arrow down and clear, and so forth until your screen looks like this. The next thing that we'll do is we're going to, if we have any plots turned on, we would arrow up to them and make sure that they are not highlighted. If we press enter, that would turn it on. Move back to it, press enter again, that turns it off. Then the next thing we'll do is we were going to make all the items in the mode and the format be stage left. So mode is located right next to the second button. Click that. Make sure everything is stage left. If something is not stage left, simply arrow to the left, press enter, and that will turn them on. And then we want to go to the format menu, which is the second of zoom. And we want to make sure everything here is stage left as well. The last step in setting up your calculator is to clear lists. So we're going to click on the stat menu. And if there are any lists here, we want to make sure that they're completely clear. The easiest way, if you have a lot of data in there, is to arrow up, press clear, and do the same thing for L2, L3, and so on if necessary. The next step is entering your data into the calculator. Your L1 column will become the X values of each of these points. The L2 column will become the Y values of each of these points. So it may be better if you create your own table with the X values in one column and the Y values in another column. So we'll start out by putting a 3, 6.5, 3, 9/10, negative 2.5. Make sure you use the negative sign, not the minus sign. Negative 5/10, negative 2.5, 1, and 3. Then we repeat for the L2 values. So back here to the Y's, 7, 3.3, 2, 1, negative 3 3/10, 3/10, negative 1 5/10, 2 2/10, 5 2/10, 4, and 7. You want to make sure you have equal numbers of X values with Y values. Then to actually look at the graph, what you're going to do is click a second and stat plot, second of Y equals. You want to make sure that this first plot is turned on with a connected line using the X values from L1, the Y values from L2, and this third mark over here, points instead of plus signs or boxes. And then do a zoom. And number 9 down here is zoom stat, so it's going to zoom to the statistical data that you have entered. And lo and behold, we get a lovely star. Now it's your turn. Plot out an image on a Cartesian coordinate plane, figure out what the ordered pairs are, and then plot them on your calculator.